Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Cam. Welcome. In today's makeup tutorial, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this look here. Very nice, very glossy, glowy, highlights popping, I know. But I will go ahead and put everything in the description down below on the product that I use, of course, like the brushes and things like that. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be doing a nice little glam look. But as of right now, I'm putting I used the ELF concealer in the color medium, and I applied it all over my eyelid, basically as a base for my shadow. And again, I did my eyebrows off camera, video coming soon. And but yeah, so I'm gonna keep on blending till it's my liking so we can start adding the shadow. And here I will be using the Masquerade palette from Juvia'S, and I will be going in with the shade Ada, apply it all over my crease so we can basically add some color in. So basically for this whole look, I'm going to be using the Masquerade mini palette from Juvia'S place. So it's good. I didn't use any other palette for this look, so I'm just going to stick to this one palette, and that was the gold. And yeah. So as you guys can see, I'm blending in, trying to get this crease, nice and soft. We don't want any harsh line. We don't want them, the shadows to look blunt. We want everything to be smooth and look appropriately. Again, I'm not a pro, okay? So I just do this just to do it, for fun. But you guys, yeah, just blend till your arms fall off. So to deepen the eye, I went ahead and used Burkina and Fulani, both of them together, and put it like under my crease. So it's not like all over, but like mostly on the crease of my eyes to basically deepen in the eyes, so it can basically be a little bit more bright. Because dark skins, you have to use some pigment, shadows, so the eyeshadow can pop. You know what I'm saying? But yes, I'm gonna basically go ahead with those two and apply it to my crease so we can basically get this, eye popping. So next I will go ahead and go in with the shade named Calabar. I'm going to go ahead and apply it in the middle of my lid to add some more dimension to the eyelid. Basically I used that because I didn't want like not a soft, but like a simple transition. So I went ahead, I added to basically deepen the eyes a little bit more, but add some color into it. Calabar is basically like a little purplish, pinkish, glittery shadow shade. It's not too bright, it's just right in the middle. That's why it went perfect with this look. So yes, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it in the middle of the lid, and basically dab it in, so we want it to be a little bit more pigmented. So but yeah, and then we're gonna go ahead and blend. We don't want any harsh line with these shadows, baby. It's 2020. Our makeup can be looking too harsh. Those lines have to be blended. Okay. Oh my gosh, I like the fact that I didn't put no headband over my edges and my hair just out like that. Excuse the hair, you guys. Thank you. Just excuse it. I don't know what I was thinking, but excuse the hair. And now to basically finish the look, I'm gonna go ahead and use the shade Casablanca. I think that's how you say it, and put it on like the inner towards the middle of my lid. I did not use or did a cut crease with this look. I don't know why I didn't do it. But I basically used this shade, the Casablanca, and dab it in towards the middle of my lid, and so we can have a very pigmented. We're not gonna blend this one out, we're just gonna dab it in, because if it blends, it's gonna get all over the place, because it's kind of like a shimmery color. So we're gonna basically oh my gosh, what was I doing? So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and dab it in, you know, get that pigment and get the eyes to be popped. Okay, all right. So after applying the Casablanca on the lids, to make sure I don't have any harsh line, I went back with the previous brush that I used when I was applying Ada and Fulani together. So I went ahead and go over my crease with it to blend everything, you know, so everything can be nice and clean. So I just applied the OPI skin moisturizer and primer all in one together and rub it all over my face, get my face primed for this foundation. After applying the moisturizer slash primer, I went ahead and grabbed a makeup wipe and remove all excess shadow from my face so everything can blend out smoothly. So for today's foundation, I will be using 3 different foundations. We're gonna use the black Opal, Revolution, and Maybeline Fit Me. I will go ahead and list all the shades down in the description box below if you guys are interested in that. So I went ahead and applied the black Opal first, then followed by the Maybeline Fit Me, which is a lighter color, and then I went ahead with the makeup Revolution and applied that one because it's a bit darker. I applied it all over my face. So after applying all the foundations to my face, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my foundation brush that I purchased at Walmart. It was pretty cheap, and basically blend all the foundation into my skin so I can have a smooth look. So I would definitely advise not to basically rub the foundation in. I don't know, if to me it doesn't, you know, give you that smooth effect when you dab it in. So it basically is like, you know, stay on your face, you have a smooth look, and the brush that I'm using is really good. Sometimes I like to use basically a beauty blender to do this, but a damp beauty blender, but because I have 3 different shades of foundation, I went ahead and used my foundation brush because I feel like it'll give me a better coverage and it looks smooth. So yeah, I'm gonna keep on blend. I'm not even gonna lie, the color, because I mixed all 3 of them together, it came out lighter than I thought, but it's okay. We're gonna fix it. Y'all gonna see. Just keep on watching. And I'm gonna keep on blending, you know, get the neck, get the ears, and everything. And also I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, apply it, you know, the bridge of my nose, my chin, under my eyes, and forehead, so it can bring some light to this beautiful face. Okay, all right. So because I couldn't find my contour palette, I don't know where it went, so I used the Makeup Revolution to basically kind of contour my face. I don't really contour, but I really think I should because I have a very round face. But yeah, so I did that and used that instead. And I'm using a damp beauty blender, a clean one this time, and basically blend all the highlights and basically all the concealer that I apply all over my face, so we can basically, you know, get it on and popping. And now that all the highlight concealer has been blended, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. I forgot the name of this setting powder that I use. I'm not sure which one, but I will go ahead and list it down in the description box below. But yes, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the setting powder all over my face, and where I basically apply the concealer to set everything, so everything can basically have a nice matte finish and look even. So after applying the setting powder, I went ahead and did my eyeliner and my lashes off camera, and now I'm wiping the setting powder away. Now it has set and basically have everything looking nice and smooth. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sweep it away with this powder brush, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Maybeline Fit Me face powder, I believe, and basically apply it where the setting powder was, so I can basically add some color back to my face. The setting powder did give it like a little bit of ashy look, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the powder so it can basically bring my face back to life. So after applying the Maybelline Fit Me face powder all over my face, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Ruby Kiss highlighter that I purchased at my local beauty supply store and apply it under my brow bone. So basically it's gonna bring life to my brows and also my eyes at the same time. I'm gonna go ahead and do it to both of my eyebrows so that they can look good. Yes, okay. But yeah, look at them lashes. Those are my favorite lashes. They look good. I love them. And then I'm gonna go ahead and with that same highlighter, I'm gonna put in the inner tear dots of my eyes to bring some life to this eye. Okay. And then the same highlighter, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my cheek, my forehead, and my nose, in the bridge of my nose, to bring some, basically some shine to my face, because you know, it's 2020, we have to be glowing. So actually I went ahead and used this setting spray. I believe I got from Ulta Beauty. I forgot the name or the brand, so I went ahead and sprayed that all over my face. I got a little bit all over my neck and chest, so wipe that off with a makeup wipe and took I don't know what that is, and fan myself and dry it up, and then I applied the highlighter. Usually I apply everything before I basically do the setting spray. I know it still looks a little bit light, so I did eventually find my contour palette. I went ahead and browsed my face and add some color and basically, you know, bring my face back to life. Unfortunately I didn't film that, but you know, keep watching and you see the outcome. So now I'm lining my lips with this lip liner that I forgot the name of it, and will be listed in the description box below. So I went ahead and lined my lip. The thing is that this lipstick that I just applied, I forgot where I got it from. I thought it would be a matte lipstick, but it ended up being a glossy, like a shiny one, and I didn't like how it looked with the makeup look. So I went ahead and removed it with a makeup wipe, and instead I used a glossy lip with this look. Like, I love a glossy lip, like that's my go-to look. I tried to do something else, but I went right back to my glossy lip. So yeah. For some reason, the lipstick was not coming off, so I went ahead and applied some Vaseline on my lips in the meantime, so I can go back in with a makeup wipe and wipe everything off. So that's what I'm doing right now, and then yeah. So yeah, you guys, this is the finished look with, my face browns, everything. I did apply the lip gloss, and this is how everything came out. Looks pretty good to my liking. So I hope you guys, love the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you next time.